Hi, I'm Gabriel Coble, and I'd like to show you this mid-century modern home completely restored and renovated by Riverside Developments. This was a major renovation. This home was brought down to the studs, giving Riverside Developments the opportunity to build in the quality and luxury that you would find in any of our homes. Paul Callis of Riverside Developments redesigned this home, changing the floor plan significantly and creating a better flow and layout for how people live today. All the while maintaining that cool mid-century vibe to give you everything you'd want in a luxury home. With a quality renovation by Riverside Developments, it doesn't mean that you have to sacrifice the features often found in new homes. From in-floor heating, the latest technology, and green features, this home is loaded with all the bells and whistles. Paul Callis of Riverside Developments has been building and renovating homes for over 20 years. If you're dreaming of bringing new life to your home, Riverside Developments will help your home realize its true potential. Thanks for watching. For further information, please visit our website at www.riversidedev.com. Have a great day.